Going through a divorce can be one of the most challenging times of your entire life. But let me tell you, there is so much light at the end of the tunnel. What is key that you need to remember when you are going through the process of ending a relationship with somebody and starting your life on your own is to make your self-care a top priority. Now, there's a tendency for people to feel very overwhelmed and then they seek stability from external things, either people or events or material things. But what really matters is that you are doing everything in your power to reinvent, reground, and stabilize yourself. I have some super fantastic tips and tools in the article below. Check it out and let me know, how can I best support and serve you? What questions do you have? DM me and let me know, or comment below, and I am happy to address whatever questions come up for you and what you're working through, because you are worth the work. Make time to invest in yourself and in your well-being, because you are worth it.